Good morning, ninth class students. Today we will start ninth chapter of computers. बच्चे open page number 131. Firstly we will discuss back exercise of session 1. Now start MCQs. Open page number 131. MCQs. First MCQ. Which of the following is the definition of standard selection? Answer is A option. Click in text or cell where you want to position the cursor and make the cell active. Any other selection is then deselected. Answer is A. Second MCQ. When the spreadsheet is newly created, its name untitled X, where X is a number, shows up on the title bar. Second answer is title bar, C option. Next is third. Which of the following is not a type of insert mode available in Kelsey? Answer is overrule mode, B answer, because overrule mode is not a type of insert mode. It means answer is B. See here बच्चे, insert mode shows the type of insert mode the program is in. Press the insert key to change modes. This field is blank if the program is in insert mode and overwrite mode. In insert mode and overwrite mode shows when in overwrite mode. It means overrule is not a type of insert mode. Answer is B, overrule mode. Now section B, question answers. First question. Which element of the Kelsey interface shows the sheet number of the particular spreadsheet? Which element shows the sheet number बच्चे? Answer is on 130 page. Answer is on 129 page. Which element is shows the sheet number? See here बच्चे, sheet tabs. Answer is sheet tab, because sheet tabs tells us sheet number. Which one sheet we have to use? Sheet 1, sheet 2 and sheet 3. Now second question. Explain all the features of the status bar of Kelsey. बच्चे explain all the features of status bar. 129 page. In last, this figure 9.5, the status bar in Kelsey. These all option. First, sheet sequence number. Second one, page style. Third one, insert mode. And fourth one, selection mode. These all are the options of status bar. Now on 130 page, sheet sequence number, page style, insert mode and selection mode. Up to block selection, a block of text can be selected. Mark up to selected बच्चे. From sheet sequence number up to can be selected. 130 page. Next question. Question number 3. Which of the element of the Kelsey interface contains file, edit, view, insert and format among others? Which of the element where present file, edit, view, insert and format others? That is called menu bar. See here बच्चे, where written file, edit, insert, format, styles, sheet, data, tools, windows, help. This is called menu bar. So answer is only menu bar. Now session 1 is completed. Next session, session 2, enter and edit the text in spreadsheet. Enter and edit the text in spreadsheet.